Hi, this is Ayush from CosmoQuick, and here is a video which is centered towards job seekers. Uh, a lot of our videos have been about how to hire better, but this is more about how to get better opportunities, how to get the jobs, and this one is titled How to Get More Interview Calls Without Sending Hundreds of Applications. So let's get started. So many job seekers assume that the only way to get interviews is to apply to more jobs. See, volume is not the key here. You cannot just blindly apply to every job you find and expect that they hire you or get you an interview. You have to be very specific. You have to take care of many other variables which are at play. So more applications, more job boards, more resumes sent every day. But after a point, volume stops helping. So the illusion of application volume, sending a large number of application can feel productive, but it is not as productive as it seems to be because hiring systems and recruiters are designed to prioritize relevance, not effort, not the volume. So it's better to send 10 personalized, tailored resumes rather than sending 100 resumes to everyone you know. You have to be very concise about what you can offer to them. So, why many applications never turn into interviews? Several patterns repeatedly appear when candidates struggle to get interview calls. Applications are too generic. That's what happens when you write for everyone and you do not write for specific people. Resumes are not tailored to the role. Skills listed do not clearly match the job requirement. Experience signals are weak or unclear. From the recruiter's perspective, the resume does not immediately answer one key question: is this candidate clearly aligned with the role? See, you may think that you are applying for so many jobs, but that person who is hiring, he wants that one perfect hire. So you have to optimize yourself to reach that quality resume so that gets you more interviews. So the principle here is interview calls come from alignment. Recruiters screen hundreds of resumes. They are not searching for the most impressive candidate. They are searching for the most relevant candidate resume, which is excellent. But the person does not want that. The person wants someone who has a mid level of experience because they might align with their pay scale. So you have to personalize your resume, personalize your job application as per the requirement, right? So step number one here is apply to fewer but more relevant roles. You have to look for skills that match your background, similar responsibilities to what you have done before, experience level that align with your profile. Step number two here is make your resume easy to screen. See, they are screened by AIs, by ATS. You have to prioritize clear role titles, relevant skills near the top, concise descriptions or outcomes. So step number three here is highlight signals, not just information. They are parsing signals from your resume. So you have to add your relevant projects, tools, and technologies used, problem solved, impact or outcome of it. Step number four, avoid over generic applications. Stop using templates from internet. Stop using chat GPT to write some basic cover letter, basic resumes. You have to put in some work and write the best copy you can do, and you have to optimize it as well. So you have to reorder skills, highlight specific experience, match language used in job description. This is another key thing to do. You have to read their JD and use the words they are using. So step number five here is focus on roles where you can add clear value. Interview calls increase when candidates position themselves around specific strengths. So what you are good at, where you have relevant experience, where you might succeed in that particular role, all that improves your screening outcomes. So the core insight here is there are primarily interview calls are rarely a number game. They are primarily a relevance and signal problem, and you solve it by aligning with what they want to. So here is a live demonstration of CosmoQuick. You get a candidate dashboard where you can use our AI interview tool. Here you go. You can use our ATS score, cover letter writer, resume builder, interview practice, or salary estimator, salary engine. You can use all these tools to increase your chances of getting hired uh, through better. And you can also use a web extension to auto apply on jobs, which tailors the copy for you. Thank you.